Manipur has already undergone phase 1 of its assembly election. But before the state enters into phase 2, we probed how deep the nexus is between money and criminal cases. As it turns out, pretty deep. So let's start with political parties and leaders with a criminal record and a bucket full of cash. A Supreme Court order makes it mandatory for candidates contesting in assembly polls to publish their entire criminal background while filing their nominations. The number of contesting candidates with criminal cases has seen a 700% rise as compared to the 2017 assembly elections. As per the Association for Democratic Reforms, out of the 265 candidates analyzed, 53 or 20% have declared criminal cases in their 12 sworn affidavits. In the 2017 elections, 9 or 3% declared criminal cases against them. Now let's take a look at the Partywise analysis of the candidates with criminal background. The analysis by ADR has yielded that the highest number of candidates with criminal cases are fighting from the national parties, with 33 or 20% of the 161 contesting candidates. Second in the list are candidates from state parties, as 12 or 21% of the 57 candidates have criminal cases against them. Among the other parties, 2 or 12% of the 17 candidates from registered unrecognized parties have criminal cases against them, while 6 or 20% of the 30 independent candidates come with criminal antecedents. Not just criminal cases, this election has also seen a massive rise in the number of candidates with serious criminal cases against them. 41 or 15% of the contesting candidates fall under this category, which is quite high if we look at the number during the 2017 Manipur Assembly elections. Only 4 or 2% of the candidates had criminal antecedents back then. Among the major parties, 9 or 24% out of 38 candidates analyzed from JDU, 8 or 15% out of 15 candidates analyzed from Congress, 11 or 18% out of 60 candidates analyzed from BJP, and 3 or 8% out of 38 candidates analyzed from NPP have declared serious criminal cases in their affidavits. So it looks like the directions of the Supreme Court had little to no effect on the political parties in the selection of their candidates. Money power continues to play a big role in elections, and its part in the 2022 Manipur Assembly elections is evident from the fact that all major political parties have given tickets to wealthy candidates. A detailed analysis by the election watchdog Association for Democratic Reforms states that 143 or 54% of 265 candidates fielded by political parties have declared themselves crorepatis. In the 2017 Manipur Assembly elections, out of 265 candidates, 83 were crorepatis. Among the major parties, 41 out of 60 from the BJP, 30 out of 53 from the Congress, 27 out of 38 from the NPP, and 19 out of 38 from the JDU have declared assets valued at more than rupees 1 crore. So who are the top 3 candidates with the highest declared assets contesting in the Manipur Assembly elections 2022? At number 3 in the list is JDU candidate Khombang Mayum Suresh Singh from Uripok constituency in Imphal West. In his affidavit, Khombang Mayum has declared assets worth rupees 18.96 crore, including rupees 16.74 crore worth as movable assets and rupees 2.22 crore in immovable assets. Second in the list is independent candidate Sapam Nishikant Singh from Keshamthong constituency in Imphal West district. Sapam has declared total assets worth rupees 29.31 crore, of which rupees 23.36 crore accounts for movable assets, while rupees 5.95 crore worth are immovable assets. Making it to the top of the list is Congress's Alfred Kangam S. Arthur from Ukhrul ST constituency in Ukhrul district. Alfred has declared total assets worth Rs 51.47 crore, of which Rs 1.58 crore worth movable assets, Rs 49.89 crore account for his immovable assets. Meanwhile, there are two candidates who have declared zero assets. Among them are David Murray from Tengnopal ST constituency in Chandel district, who is contesting on a Republican Party of India ticket, and Ningthojam Popilal Singh from Sekmai SC in Imphal West district, who is contesting on the NCP party ticket. How many of the aforementioned candidates will win the election? We will only get the answer on March 10th.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.